What's up, guys? It's Sugar Skull Candy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lacey and I enjoy doing makeup, from like regular makeup to costume makeup to gory makeup to, well, I haven't yet, and creepy stuff and everything in between. So if you like watching makeup tutorials, that was awkward, keep watching. So today I want to do something that is kind of like over now, like the trend is not happening anymore. It's not a trend right now, I should say, but I think it's cool. So today I'm going to do a comic book makeup look. I'm actually, that rhymed. I'm actually going to copy someone who I love on YouTube. Her channel is called Madeyewlook, and she does amazing body art and everything, but I'm going to try to recreate her comic book makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some primer. Lately I've been doing a mixture of the Professional Pore Filler Primer and the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer I found at TJ Maxx. It does have a slight tint to it, but I do like it. It seems to help my foundation turn out smooth looking. And I know my skin is looking a little rough right now. I am just getting back into eating clean after falling off for a while, and I've noticed that every time I get back to eating clean, during the first week my skin breaks out. So like it must be some sort of like detoxing type thing. It's like all my body's like getting all the nasty stuff on my body, so that's what's happening there, but we're gonna try to cover it up. And then in Madeyewlook's video, I actually don't know her real name. Lex, that's right, I knew that. So Lex said that it's almost better to use like a lighter foundation, and my go-to foundation is the Maybelline Super 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, but lately I've been mixing it with this sample of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation I got in my Ipsy, but that's too dark for me, so I've been mixing it with this. But this also just so happens to be a tinge light on me, so I think this will work perfectly. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face with the Jeffree Star slash Morphe makeup sponge, which I love. It is so soft. I love it. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Shape Tape concealer and conceal as I normally would. And I don't think Lex did that in her tutorial, but my skin is so textured and porous, I need the extra coverage, so I chose to do so. But next, I'm just going to set my under eyes, and then we're going to do some contouring. So I did my contour just slightly more dramatic than I usually do, just because it's like a dramatic look. Next, we are going to do our brows. Brows or outline first? I think I'll do the brows first. So, I think I'm going to do my brows as I normally do first, and I'm going to cover them in black. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild, what's that stuff called? I don't know. Brow gel? Pomade? I don't even know. In brunette. And I'm going to do my brows. Alright, so I got my brows done. Next, I'm just going to go in with some black water-based paint. I need water. And I'm going to fill them in. I made them more blocky than I normally do, just because I feel like that's more comic-y. Making them blocky or like making a more defined features. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm using my Maron Paradise black water-based paint to fill in my brows. And I'm trying to make them look like that they're just the slightest bit furrowed, so when I do that face, like, kind of crying, that it looks dramatic. Alright, so brows are done. They're definitely sisters, not twins, but you know, that's what they say they're supposed to be, so it's fine. Then, what should we do next? I am going to do the eyes next. So I'm going to do a winged eyeliner, and we are going to give our eyes a certain shape, so we're going to kind of draw a line above our crease as well. So instead of an actual wing, I kind of made like almost like little lashes, it looks like, which I actually like better. That was an accident, but you know, we're gonna work it. Alright, so now that I got the eyeliner done, I'm going to go ahead, curl my eyelashes, apply mascara, and then apply some falsies. They're very subtle falsies, but they're just enough. I like them actually. These are the ones I'm using by Ardell. I love these lashes. They're like just enough, and I don't feel like I'm wearing lashes. You know, sometimes you put lashes on and like your eyes water and it just feels heavy and you're like, oh my god, I can't wait to the end of the day so I can just take these off. these aren't like that. So next we are going to do a little accent line down our nose, little accent line right here to make it look we're so sad. And then we're gonna do, oh wait, we're gonna do the tears first. So next we're going to take a little eyeliner paintbrush like this, or brush, and we're gonna dip into our black face paint and we're going to outline some teardrops going out of our eyes. I think she filled hers in with paint, but I'm going to try to make it easier and fill it in with eyeshadow. So I'm going to dip into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to do a mixture of Hello and Playground, I think. Hello. Just taking a very tiny brush with some white water-based paint, just to kind of like add some accent lines to the tears. Then going to add the accent lines on my nose, forehead, and then we'll outline the face and add the lines on the chest. So next we're going to outline the face with the same black paint we've been using. As you can see, I keep creasing my makeup here, so I'm going to come back to this. We're going to focus on the face, we're going to finish the face, and then we're going to do this so I can take pictures and it looks fine. Okay, so next we're going to work on the lips. I'm going to be applying this Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline New York, and this is the shade Dancer, and it's a very like fire truck bright red. So I just did my lips. I outlined them in black face paint, and then I added a little accent with white face paint. Madeyewlook didn't do her entire lips outline, but I had it half done. I'm like, this looks kind of funny, so I just filled the whole thing in. Next, we're gonna do the dots, and then we're gonna finish the chest. Lastly, I'm just going to apply some self-adhesive gems to the dots I created. I got these at Joann Fabrics, and I'm sure you can find them at Walmart or any craft store. And that is it, guys. This turned out super cute. It took way longer than I expected, especially putting on all the sequins, but I'm so happy with the result. I don't want to take it off. I'm going to be taking a million pictures before I take this off today. But yeah, if you like what you saw today, as always, please like, comment, subscribe. The gems are falling off my face as we speak. If you enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more things like this, and please share my videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.